This is a bit heartbreaking, but Sobek loves watching birds, and we recently refilled the bird feeder, so he just sits there waiting for them to come back. But they don't want to come back because he's looking at them, and he just doesn't understand that he is the reason that there are no birds, and that if he wants birds, he has to back up a little bit. Sobek, the birds aren't gonna come back with your big block head on the windowsill like that. They're scared of you, Bubba. You gotta back up, puppy. Come on. You gotta back up, puppy. Look, Bubba. Look. Oh. Yeah, you weren't looking. It came back as soon as you backed away from it. No, Bubba, take a couple of steps back. Come on. Back up. Bubby, I hate to break it to you, but I don't think that you have the patience or the stamina for bird watching. No, 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 no! Stay away from the window. You gotta wait till they come back.